Hey there, friend. Today's self-care challenge is actually it's a couple challenge today. It's couple care today. Couple care is bringing us to Tavern in the Square. I keep calling it something else. This is a new restaurant in Bellingham, Massachusetts. They do have another one in Shrewsbury, Massachusetts that we've been to. And a lovely restaurant. Lovely restaurant. We came here for brunch. We're pre-storming it, kind of like pre-gaming it. Yeah, I know. Probably not too funny, but
we got a
huge storm coming, huge snowstorm coming. You know, it's kind of rounding out my birthday month. 2 major snowstorms. So we went to brunch, and now we're going to do some grocery shopping to get our essentials for the storm, and of course, bread and milk.
And kale for ketchup.
And kale for kale chips. That's right. But we really enjoyed it here. It was just a lovely restaurant. We did have again living that 80-20 rule. I had an avocado toast on sourdough with a salad and poached eggs. And you had what did you
I had their
have?
breakfast skillet with a couple of sunny side up eggs and some tater tots and greens.
Yeah. So we did get our greens in. We also had some maple sausage. Again, we eat more whole food, plant-based, so we don't eat sausage or any animal products at home except for eggs. So we enjoy that when we're out. And then we also brought some goodies back to enjoy, some salads and some other goodies. Quinoa bowl and guacamole chips and a couple other things to enjoy. Kind of ride the storm out because we're supposed to get quite a bit of snow.
Yeah, like 12 to 18 inches, right?
Yeah, 12 to 18 inches. So, if you're in the area, they do have other locations in Massachusetts. Check them out. I'll post the information in the caption. And so get out there, enjoy yourself, be safe for anybody who's in the snares of this storm, this winter storm. And until next time, well, do you have anything you want to add? Well, I'll see if Jim wants to add anything. Go ahead.
Wow, on the spot.
On the spot.
They do actually have good mixed drinks there. Mm-hmm. It's a full-service bar, so if you want to have lunch with wine or mimosas or Bloody Marys with your brunch, they supply all that as well. We didn't have anything for our brunch, but it is available.
Yeah.
It's
So
very
we
nice
had
people,
coffee.
very good food.
Yeah, very nice people, very nice staff. So do you like the? I'm gonna do a little plug for the Tavern in the Square in Bellingham. Nice job, guys. All right. So until next time, where everything's uplifting, inspirational, and delicious.
Enjoy
the moment.